I'm yelling, yeah, yeah. 10 of you, but 1 of me. Yeah, yeah. I'm a different kind of J. I'm a different kind of J.
Yo, what's up, your boy Kasala, GWT, and
I'll be submissive if you really need me to.
Okay, lick my ass.
Jesus, what the fuck?
Lick my ass.
What the fuck is going on?
Alright, alright.
I saw a human. Where are you running to?
yeah. Where you going, bro?
That noise!
It happens a lot.
What was that?
You're bare weird.
What?
It's how you make sure you get in.
What was that?
You get a first touch. What are you saying here? Wait, guys, it won't go up.
Vic.
There we go.
You sounded constipated.
Vic.
Shut!
No! You're in a box! You're in a... Oh no!
Alright, JJ, honestly,
Vic wasn't really eating an apple in Simon's stream. He was actually...
fuck's sake.
Oh, that's when I was shouting at you, because you was just fucking...
Appropriate.
There's gonna be a scare.
Oh, better.
Yeah! Yeah, fuck you, Josh!
I'm just hitting it nicely.
Hey, JJ, can I hear your duck impression?
Oh, fuck.
That's a duck on quack. When they make shot on goal.
It feels good, right?
Right!
What are you?
A human. Where's my team? No!
Yes! Golazo! Golazo! Golazo!
Did you just come?
Yeah.
Too much water.
I don't want to
You just swallow the water. You just swallow the water, Simon.
No, I swallowed
You
my
ate raw
cum.
Oh, okay.
Apparently, yeah.
Wait, JJ, don't you swallow seawater?
Oh my god.
Of the meddling kid known as Vic Star.
What?
What the fuck? What are you doing? Why are you making weird noises?
That was really weird.
Huh? That was even weirder. That was Vic